Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can make shortcuts of your favorite programs if you don't have after you install them and for some reason you don't have them. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can do it. So the first thing, for example, I want this Google Chrome to be my shortcut on desktop. So what I do, I go to Start and here I'm going to search for the Google Chrome. And after we have this Google Chrome here, now here we're gonna right click and we're gonna click on this open file location. And now after this opened, you just go again, right click on this on your Google Chrome program and click on send to and click on desktop create shortcut. And there we go. Then now we have here, the program is right here now. As you can see here, it is right here. Now keep in mind for some apps, maybe this will not work. And that's pretty much it, how you can do it, how you can make your favorite apps shortcut on your desktop. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in more this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe and see you next video. Bye.